Okay, this question's asking us to basically identify the concentrations of the silver, this complex here, and this other complex here. And having some understanding of equilibrium helps. These equilibrium constants here are very large, so we can assume if we know the concentration of the reactant that it's effectively going to get converted into product. And as we know that starting concentration is 0.15 from here, that will have 0.15 of here. And as this equilibrium constant is also very large, we'll know that this is all converted into here. So to start with, we know that the silver NH3 2 plus is going to be equal to 0.15, and as we've got two ammonias here, we know that we've used up 0.3, which means we've got about 0.7 mole per litre ammonia left in this equation, or left in solution. Now to move on to the second part, we need to write down the equilibrium for this, and this is just a normal equilibrium, so it's just products over reactants. So we already know the concentration of this, which is equal to 0.15, and we know the concentration of this, which is equal to 0.7. So if we put that in there and we do the calculation to work out the concentration of this, which we're interested in, we get 2.6 times 10 to the negative 5 moles per litre. And so that part's done, and then we need to, so we've worked out two of them, we now need to work out the remaining one. And really the next part is just to follow on where we use same equation really, but we're just doing it for this top one, and 2.1 times 10 to the power of 3, and that's silver. This is obviously the concentration we just worked out, this concentration here, 0.7. The ammonia concentration is the ammonia concentration, it doesn't alter, and we're working out the silver, and if we carry that through we'll work out it to be 1.77 times 10 to the power of negative 8 moles per litre. So we've done all three there. You may get some slight variation with rounding. I rounded on this one, so you might get go down by one figure or something like that, but that should be that. So that's that, and it really does show that when we get this very small figure here, times 10 to the power of negative 8, that most of the silver has ended up being combined with either this in this complex, or obviously the majority is in this one here, because, and it really just reiterates that these equilibrium constants that are favouring the product side. And that's that question.